Hello everyone, my name is Dong Ho. You can call me Sunny. Today I had to do quick review for Go yesterday. Sorry I could not do it longer just because I had to go to work early this morning. I in urgent, but I still try to do the Go analyzation, just learn a little bit and then everyone study together. So normally I go trade from 5 p.m. Up to when I like, but normally I finish around 5:56, like 6 or 7. That's it, because I trade pretty fast. I play in M1, but I have a look on M15 just to see the momentum and whether I in the right position or not. I have some other theory to combine with M15 as well. So the black and white is the M1 and then the green one is M15. I just try to see in the bigger time frame how the price, compare together. So this is 5 p.m. Australia time. So when I come, I just one glance and I see the price sideways a little bit go up. So I quickly draw like it. And in this uptrend where I can come in this one I can come in into this position. Why? The first, the previous M15 is really good, like a whole candle full with the buyer, and then the next M15 they create the tail and then it go up with this momentum. It look good as well, then I can buy from here. Then the price constantly to go up, and then they broke the trend line. But the way they broke trend line is quite after it broke the trend line, it may retest the extreme here. So I will wait for buy. I still vote for buy. Where I buy, I will stay around here or stay around here, because that E2 area I will buy and look at the momentum when the price go back. With the price go really up with one M15, it really green full of buyer, and then the price go down, like moderate, and then they medium, they go with the bigger momentum, but this bigger momentum do nothing. So there are two ways for the price to reverse. Either the momentum of the M15 go down slowly, it is big is smaller and smaller, or it on opposite side is smaller, or moderate smaller, and then suddenly it really big momentum. I will show you. Like the fighting. If you own your strength to fight someone and even that biggest strength still lose, it means you will lose. I remind again, if you own your strength in your body to fight with someone and then you still lose, it means you will lose. So in this case, I know after this big down candle, and I had to wait for the price make higher high or keep this error. Here I can see the price make higher high, and then I just wait for the price break on this area. I may put the limit order, stop loss around here, and then take profit around here, because that is the way they retest an extreme. That's all I can do. Yeah, so that's it. I will jump in and jump out really quickly. And after that, the price have a two option. Maybe it will straight up reversal, or maybe it's sideways for a while and make second leg. Normally the price will move in pair to up, sideways, up, sideways, reverse. So we don't know which one, and let's see how it go. But it doesn't matter what it go. We have to see how the price move. For example, the price here it move up. It so here that correct, but and now how it look like? It have the momentum of a buyer. It weaker. You see it quicker in M15, it really quicker and it moves around here only. So right now you can think about short, where you shot up to here. Okay, you can shut up to here. And you can buy it from here or from here. So let's see how, yeah, so momentum of M15 is really reduced. Then you will see to me where I can get into short during that time, because the price just moved but it didn't how I show too much. It didn't go further away. So let's see. I see the price have a smaller sideway here. If in the sideway, I will wait for the price fade break out like this and break back in. It did really good candle to short. This one, if you short like here, it look good because break out, break back in, and then don't think too much. Just take the profit around here because that either way the price it moves sideways, and you have to manage the trade in the middle. Like you have to break even, take some partial ABC because you never know what happened with the price. And surprisingly, normally many people think the price had to come back around here, is that right? But the price didn't come back after the project come in the middle of the row here. It come back and make the higher low. So if the short seller try to put it down, but it unable to succeed. And also here you see the seller try to put 100% down, but the buyer still able to defend. And then now the buyer put the second time, but this one, it could not go right to this area. It could not add on the buyer really strong. You had to see the way they fighting. So right now you could not shut it on. You had to really be careful. Doesn't matter what it show here. Could not shut. Don't you remember about the three step go up? It may be. So let's see how it go. It come back in this area again, and it didn't touch this area at all. Never shot because buyer so strong. If the seller strong, it had to put down here or fabric out whatever. But now it unable to do so. So you have to wait for the price action. Here the price actually break higher. You see, it break higher compared to this one. Should you short in this case? No, you should not. Why? Because you see one, two, three, 3 and 15 candle really big and just one and 15 red. The seller really weak in this case. So, but you could not buy as well. It's quite high here, and you have to wait for the momentum of the buy. How you can buy on this case? I will wait for the price come back to here and buy. Why? The first, I have a better ratio. The second, it either play many people waiting because it either retake previous key level. Okay, so to me, the first price go down sideways for a while. The second, I can get into here. I can get into here. Okay, so here I'm not sure. Maybe I'm not sure. I will not get into here. Um, Short here. 100% I will short here. Buy here. It equal me 100% I will buy here. And if I have after analyzation make the story, make sense, make the content ABC in my brain. And if I want to buy, I will buy like this. I will not buy like here because um even though the seller is not that strong, but the downtrend didn't play out in my brain. It need a little bit longer, and if I short, it look good because strong momentum down, but the price still able to keep. So it go up. Okay, so let's see whether I can buy anywhere else. And after that, you see this candle, M15 candle, a really strong one. All of the buy in this case super strong. Then you see the next M15, it go down slowly. You can buy from here. If it will me, I will buy from here. This candle. Why? The first momentum so good. The second you have enough thing to run around here, and the downtrend play out. So it good, and it continue with this candle momentum. I can buy. After I go down here, go back here, they call U shape in M1. Good signal, buy. And then of course you have to manage your trade during the time. And then the price break. After the price overshoot, it is the overshoot. The price may straight up reversal or break the trend line. Should I get into this case? Maybe not quite, because actually to me the uptrend is quite strong. The uptrend is quite strong, and maybe they say, how I say, the two leg go up play out, but I still think just vote for buy. I may wait around here and see how it go. And if the price just sideways, you never know. Okay, the price sideways, third here to third, and then bring back. This is the lesson I tell you. With this momentum, my goodness, one, two, and this one is the biggest ever of the 15 you see for the short. But after this big one broken key level here, after this, what do you think? The price had to go down significantly. Is that right? I believe many people after that they will short, and actually they at least they short and take the profit around here. Many people, many. But the price how? So I tell you, if you on your strength to fight with someone, and that person can again it or can hold it, it means you lose because you on your strength already. Other people they still have the strength, they didn't use it yet. So at this stage you think you can buy. Really you can buy. How you buy? To me, one big go down, two big and then big up. I will not buy on this area. I will wait for the price come back around one more time and hold this one. This is not really popular. I saw it many times. The price go really strong down and then strong up. But if you buy around here, you will buy high. It's not good. You buy around here when the price can hold, then you have a better price. And then the time you expect it can come back to here. So I think did a little position I get into here right now. I just do the fake fighting, when sometimes you do the fake fighting and then you recognize the setup in a real one when you actually train your brain and say, okay, I had to wait for this signal. What I waiting for? Okay, the sell super strong. Whether the buy can hold or not. If the buy can hold, it means the buy stronger than the sell. So this is a trend, my friend. The price go down up, make a high, come back, retest, go up, retest, and then it hold. You can buy again after retest hold here, toy. But I will put my stop order above here. It will go with momentum, and then I will buy. Of course, you always after you choose the good position, you have to manage your trade. Never just let it like that. So this good area as well. One, two, three, four Thai retest. But this is the best. This is the best area you should buy, not about that, because if the price want to come down here, it's really difficult. This area is the best. If you want to buy low, and if you want to short high. Remember that. So sorry, I had to go now. See you again tomorrow. Tonight, I hope you will learn something from this analyzation. I learned a little bit as well regarding to the momentum and how to read the momentum in M15 and apply in M1. And when it is the fake breakout and when the fake breakout really danger, especially after it make the higher low, high and low, and then break you short really danger. Okay, see you. Thank you. Have